Welcome back.
In our last video, we took you to the mountains of Phetchabun. Today, we take you even higher to Wat Phu Thap Boek.
Welcome to Thailand Lifestyle. We are Nann
And Odin. Make the best out of your day, every day. If you are new to the channel, let me bring you up to speed. We are an unusual couple and there's an age gap of 40 years. In our channel, we share our lives and thoughts with you and show the little adventures we have in our simple daily life. As you see, we still travel with my son Alexander and Barbara. All the Mini 3 Pro footage is done by Alexander.
Das sieht da hinten aus. Alex im Nebel. Aber das sieht schon schön aus, wie das da raufzieht.
On the way up the mountain, we had to stop here to wait for the clouds to rise. We hope that Wat Phu will be free of clouds later today.
Hier, guck dir das Wolkenbild auch an. Wow.
If you are new to the channel, subscribe to stay in touch and turn on notification.
To subscribe is free, but you will be able to find us again easy in this huge YouTube jungle. To drive from Wat Phu to Wat Phu Thap Boek, you need to drive back into the valley and then all the way up again. You need about 1 hour 15 minutes to drive the 56-kilometer long winding road.
I would love to see you like.
The villagers of Phu Thap Boek are predominantly Hmong hill tribe people who emigrated from northern Thailand. They established the Phetchabun Hill Tribe Development and Relief Center in 1982. The mountain has since been overrun by allegedly illegal resorts and restaurants. Looking at the resorts, you get the feeling that this is true. It looked for sure much more beautiful before all these huts were constructed. Phu Thap Boek mountain rises to 1,768 meters. Perched on its peak is Wat Phu, which translates to Forest Temple. Wat Phu Thap Boek in Phetchabun Province is the highest Buddhist monastery in Thailand. Enjoy the impressive, unique architecture as well as the amazing views. The highest elevation of the Phu Thap Boek mountain range is 1,794 meters above sea level. Geologically, the mountain consists of limestone interfused with slate and sandstone.
ๆตอนนี้แน่อยู่ที่วัดป่าผู้ทับเบิกนะคะนี่คือทางขึ้นค่ะ เดินขึ้นถอยหลังน่าจะง่ายกว่าก็อันนี้อยู่ที่ภูทับเบิกนะคะค่อนข้างคดเคี้ยวมากอันนี้เหมือนเป็นซุ้มประตู
If you ever find yourself in Phetchabun, then it's a great drive up the mountain. Just avoid New Year, as it will be jammed with Thai holidaymakers. Make sure you go there on a day with good visibility. And when you get to the top, not forget to visit Wat Phu. If you have not seen our previous video, you will find it here. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. Yeah.